Have you been asked to analyze the training or learning needs in your company, yet you have no idea where to even start? Are you feeling overwhelmed by the amount of information you're surrounded with? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to my course Learning Needs Analysis, a step-by-step practical guide to collecting and analyzing the learning needs of your organization. My name is Irina Ketkin and I have been a learning and development practitioner since the year 2011. This course is part of a series in advanced learning and development, and it focuses on a step-by-step guide L&D practitioners like yourself can follow to assess the current and future learning needs of their organizations. This course is for anyone responsible for developing other people in the context of an organization, but isn't quite sure how to understand the needs and provide learning solutions to fit those needs. If you're an HR expert or L&D practitioner, then this course is for you. It can also be useful to freelance trainers and development consultants by helping them measure the client's needs in an objective and systematic way. By the end of the course, you'll be able to explain to your stakeholders the process and the steps required to perform a learning needs analysis. You'll be able also to distinguish among various different ways to collect data, analyze it to fit your needs, and then present your findings and recommendations. If you follow along with every step of the process, you will end up with a comprehensive learning needs analysis report that you can then present to your stakeholders and get their buy-in. Watch a selection of the preview videos to get a feel for what the course is like. Also, check out the course content to see all the topics and steps that I've included. And remember, every course comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I look forward to seeing you in the course.